Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location. And here is the nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0. A set of FAQs is now displayed on our screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. Category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this property so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Condition of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Second categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upload.